So, hello everyone. Today we will do the intro, but before that, I want to tell you all something. As you all know, that I am in E10 committee, and in E10 committee, we have an event which is Soft Thinkers. So, what is Soft Thinkers? In Soft Thinker, we will be arranging some workshop for Python language and image processing and such electronics related stuff. So, and the attended and the people who will be attending will be from the orphan or ITI section. Like, there is a section in the college which is of ITS, so those students will be joining our session. So there will be 4 sessions. Out of 4, one session will be taken by me, and I know, and it is the basics of Python. So it's the first session of that event, and I will be taking the first session. In that session, I will be teaching those students the basics of Python, like syntax of each operators and else if ladder, for loop, while loop, difference between do loop and do while loop, and some basic usage of libraries, and last but not the least, some useful AI tools which can they use to make their life easier. So that's the session. Now let's go ahead to our improv session. So can you all give me a topic? Can you all give me a topic in which I will do my improv session? So the topic is inflation and difference between what is inflation, what is de- what is inflation, and what is shrinkflation, and what is the difference between them. So as you all know, the world economy as you all know the world economy, it is heading towards the recession, and we yet do not know how much big the recession is, how much small it will go. Will it be huge enough that it will eat the jobs of currently employed people, or it will only have a lesser impact? So we are not aware. So according to this situation, we have to keep our eyes on inflation and shrinkflation. So what is inflation? Inflation is a measurement of the currency. Like, for an example, take 100 rupees. In 2015, I was able to buy 6 kgs of potatoes in 100 rupees. Okay, in 2015. Okay, and in current situation, the price of the potatoes are 40 rupees per kg, which means I will have to pay 200 rupees to buy the same amount of potatoes. In 2015, which I used to buy for 400 rupees. So the price has been increased by fifth by the price has been increased by 100%. Yeah, for example, like, the price of potato in 2015 was 20 rupees per kg, but in 2026 the price of potato is 40 rupees. So that's literally the double of the price, and the inflation here was of 100%. So did you all understood what is inflation? Did you? Did you? बताइए बताइए. Again, right. That's the great thing. So now we have talked about inflation. So Vasisht, what is shrinkflation then? Is it that when the price has been decreased, like I did bought my potatoes in 2015 for 20 rupees, so does the shrinkflation mean that in 2026 I in 2026 if I'm able to buy the same amount of potato in 10 rupees per kg, so is that shrinkflation? No, bacha, it is not the shrinkflation. It is a different thing. So let me explain you shrinkflation. Shrinkflation is where the amount which you have to pay does not increase. Like for an example, in 2015 I used to eat a Parle G biscuit daily. Like I have to eat a Parle G biscuit daily with the milk. Yeah, it tastes best if you consume Parle G biscuit with the milk. So if you haven't tried that, please try. So 2016 में मैं 10 रुपए का पार्ले जी खाता था, तो उसमें कितने 10 बिस्किट्स आते थे, विच मीन्स 1 बिस्किट फॉर 1 rupees. But in current situation in 2026, the price of Parle G has not been increased. If you go to the shop, you will be able to purchase 10 rupees of Parle G. No price increased. So does that mean that there has been no changes in the pricing of Parle G? No, no, that is not right. There has been changed, but the price is not changed. The thing which has been changed is quantity. Yeah. In 2016, I used to get 10 Parle Gs and 10 rupees, but now I will be getting only 5 or 6 or 7 Parle Gs. So that's shrinkflation. The price has not been increased, but the amount or the quantity we used to get will be lesser after some period of time. So that's the shrinkflation. Did you all understood the difference between inflation and shrinkflation? Okay, let me summarize what we have learned. Today we have learned about inflation and shrinkflation. So in inflation, the price of a certain product gets increased and the quantity remains same. But while in shrinkflation, the price of the product remains constant, but the quantity of the product decreases. That's called shrinkflation. Yeah. So until then, bye bye. Tada, see you.